Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. So we are here today with me because to respond on some complaints that were made by nearby residents of Taman Kulim Utama, where this house is nearby the construction site of Embas Jaya Sendian Berhad. So this construction site has been producing a lot of noise pollution lately, as we were told by the nearby housing resident, which are Taman Kulim Utama. And this noise pollution constantly being disturbing their kids at home while sleeping, and people that trying to working silently, and also being a problem in communicating because a lot of noise that been producing from here. So let's see the example of the noise pollution that had been occurring at this construction site, and it will be conducted by my friend Muhammad Zarif.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Muhammad Zarif bin Norisin. I will continue the reporter. As we know, the noise pollution makes very noise for the resident nearby, such as the trailer. The trucks and the lorry are come in and out from the outside of the site construction. You can see here the way to go out and in from the site is nearby to the resident near of this Kulim Utama. And then we know that the trailer and trailer trucks, lorry bring transport for the equipment, building materials for this construction site. And then the backbone. As we know, the backbone make very noise while excavating the landscape of this construction site, and make holes or digging holes. And then the workers make noise too by hammering activities or the equipment from the construction site to make this house. That's all for me.
As we observe this project, this project has lack of environment friendly
because of this project reduce the percentage of oxygen from the lodging activities.
And then, because of this lodging activity, the nearest residents also feel uncomfortable from the heat of the construction.
This problem also, we observe that the nearest resident feel hard to breathe in this air of surrounding.
Lastly from us,
yes, this construction force people to leave their home if they live in or near the flood drain. We end this news from we send a message to the all engineers that we must do this construction or our project honestly and make a community better life. Thank you.